Welcome to the second part of the GINESYS how-to new discounting concept in sales and distribution module. In the second part, we look into the various scenarios so that it is easier to relate the new functionality. Let's look at our first scenario, which is on markdown mode. Let's suppose you are located in Kolkata and your customer has two sites, one at Gurgaon and another one at Kolkata. And you want to send the same item to both the sites. Items tax rate, that is the rate at which the customer has to pay the tax amount to the government on sale of the good, is 12.5% for the Gurgaon site, which lies in Haryana, and 4% for the Kolkata site, which lies in West Bengal. The discount percentage is same for both the sites, that is 33.33%, and inclusion of VAT in discount amount is enabled on net price basis. Net price is basically the item's price minus the discount amount, that is 33.33% of the item price. Now let's create a price list according to our scenario 1. We go to the price list form and provide a price list name. Let's suppose we are providing it as discount 33.33%. In the price type, we need to select the price which will flow of the item. We select it as RSP. In the discount mode, we need to provide markup or markdown. As per our scenario, we are selecting markdown. Since we want to include the VAT amount in discount as per the site's VAT region, we need to select this option. As you can see, now this option, discount basis, has become enabled. We need to select gross price or net price. We select net price as per our scenario and provide the discount percentage as 33.33% and save this price list. We have already created a customer with two sites, Kolkata site and Haryana site. Now we are going to tag the VAT region and the price list to those sites. We go to the customer master form and select the customer. In the site window, as you can see, the two sites. For the Kolkata site, we are selecting the VAT region as West Bengal, that is WB, and the price list which we have created. Similarly, for the Haryana site, we are selecting the price list, discount 33%. As you can see, since this is a managed site, the VAT region Haryana is flowing from the site master and the retail management. We can even change the VAT region there. We click on OK and save this. Now let's go to the VAT group master present in the inventory module and see if the VAT rate is defined for both the VAT regions or not. As you can see, for both the VAT regions, VAT rate is defined for the entry date, that is the current date. Now we are required to prepare a delivery challan for both the sites. Let's first have a look at the items rate calculation for the Gurgaon site. Assuming that the items price as per the price type, that is RSP, is rupees 100, discount excluding VAT will be rupees 33.33, net price will be 100 minus 33.33, that is rupees 66.67. VAT amount calculated on net price will be 12.50 included in 66.67, that is rupees 7.41. Discount including VAT will be 33.33 plus 7.41, that is rupees 40.74. Therefore, net rate, that is the transaction rate, will be item price minus discount, which is including VAT, that is 100 minus 40.74, and will result in rupees 59.26. Now let's see if this rate is flowing in our delivery challan or not. Moving back to the GINESYS back office side, we have also created an item. As we can see here in the modify manage item, we select the item. RSP is rupees 100 as we assumed, and in the tax name we have selected the tax group. Now let's move to the delivery challan. We need to select the Haryana site here and the stock point. As you can see, the price list name is flowing as we tagged to the site, and also the price type is flowing. We can select the item here using various modes. We are using quick scan. We select the item here. As you can see, the transaction rate, or say the net rate, is flowing as per our example in the scenario. In the allow rate discount change window, we can see the discount amount is flowing as 40.74, which is inclusive of VAT, and a new column has been added for round off. Since we selected the round off to be none, that's why the column is showing 0 figure. We click on OK. Now let's see how the rate will flow for Kolkata side. Assuming items price as per the price type, that is RSP rupees 100, discount excluding VAT will be rupees 33.33, net price will be 100 minus 33.33, that is rupees 66.67. VAT amount calculated on net price will be 4% included in 66.67, that is rupees 2.56. Discount including VAT will be 33.33 plus 2.56, that is rupees 35.89. Therefore, net rate, or say the transaction rate, will be item price minus discount, which is inclusive of VAT, that is 100 minus 35.89, and will result to rupees 64.11. Now let's see if this rate is flowing in our delivery challan for this site or not. We are again going to the delivery challan and selecting the Kolkata site. Also, we provide the stock point. Here, as you can see, the price list is flowing as discount 33.33%, the same one which was flowing for Haryana site, and also the RSP price type is flowing. Now we can select the item using various modes. We are only using quick scan here. We provide the item. As we can see, the transaction rate is flowing as 64.11, the same as per our calculation shown earlier. Also, in the allow rate discount change window, we can see the discount amount is flowing as 35.89 as per our calculation. Let's move to a second scenario on markup mode. Let's suppose you provide your customer's Gurgaon site 33.33% discount on markup basis. VAT inclusion in discount is not applicable in case of markup, as we know. So assuming items price as per the price type is rupees 100, discount will be rupees 33.33. Net rate, or say the transaction rate, will be item price plus discount, that is 100 plus 33.33, that is 133.33. For round off, multiples of is provided as 5 and limit is provided as round. So therefore, the actual net rate will be net rate rounded off to the multiples of 5 with limit as round, and it will conclude as rupees 135, in which 1.67 is a round off figure. Now we are going to create a price list according to our scenario 2. We provide the name as markup 33.33%. In the discount mode, we select markup. In the discount percentage, we provide it as 33.33. Multiples of we provide as 5 as per our scenario, and in the limit we set it to round and save the price list. Now we are going to tag that price list to our customer. In the customer master form, we select the customer, and that side we are going to select markup 33.33% as the price list. Click on OK and save it. We will be using the same item which we used to describe the whole scenario 1. Now we are going to the delivery challan form and selecting the Haryana site. Also we are providing the outstock point. Here, as we can see, the price list name is coming as markup 33.33%, which we created just now, and the price type is flowing as RSP. Moving on to the selection of item, we are using quick scan to select the item. We are selecting the item here. As you can see, the transaction rate is flowing as 135 as per the calculation shown earlier. Also, in the allow rate discount form, we can see that the discount amount is 33.33 and the round off figure is coming as 1.67 as shown in the calculation earlier. That's it in this how to. Thank you for joining us.